Hi everyone, finding the area of the segment po tayo. Okay? So last time, ang kinuha po natin ay tungkol po sa area ng ating sector. At yung sector natin ay ito pong B, okay? BAC. Kasama po itong arc na to, no? Last time, yan, that is the sector. But today, ang kukunin po natin ay yung tinatawag na segment. Okay? Ano po ba ang segment? Saan makikita ang segment? Ang segment po, this is the region na kung saan bounded by the arc. Ito yung ating arc na tinutukoy, arc BC, at yung tinatawag naman natin na chord, at ito yon si chord BC. So therefore, ang segment po natin ay itong shaded part na ito lamang. So ang tawag natin sa kanya ay segment. Okay? Ang tawag po natin dyan ay segment. And today, gagawin po natin is to find the area of this shaded part na to. Mapapansin nyo, no? Yung ating pong segment is part ng ating pong sector. Okay? So, let's start. For example, ang ating pong radius AC ay 5 cm and this arc is equal to 70 degrees. So, find the area of the segment. Okay? So, area of the segment. So we will be using the formula of this. Area of the segment is equal to the area of the sector. Kasi mapapansin nyo, sector po yan eh. No? Himula dyan. Minus the area of the triangle. Okay? So, ito po ang gagamitin natin na formula. Bakit po nagkaroon ng area of the triangle? Kasi po, mapapansin nyo, doon sa ating sector, nagkaroon po ng tinatawag na triangle BAC. Okay? So, kaya po nakasama itong ating area of the triangle. So, let's start. So, ang formula na gagamitin natin para po sa ating area of the sector, tinuro ko po sa inyo last time, area of the sector, that is the angle theta times pi r squared over 360. While, so minus tayo, while the area of the triangle naman po, ito ay 1/2, okay, times r squared, then multiplied by sine theta. Okay? So, ito po yung formula na gagamitin natin. And to start, let's start now. So, we have theta, which is 70 degrees, the measure of the arc po, no? Again, kung ito po ay 70 degrees, ito po is also 70 degrees kasi central angle po. So, we have 70 degrees, okay, times the value of the pi. Ang pi po natin ay, we will use the 3.1416 na value. And we have 3.1416 times the radius. Ang radius po natin ay 5. So we have here pi